setting spray sunscreens. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I get this particular subscription box once a month. Subscription bag? It's a bag technically. Let me start over. So this is my IPSY Glam Bag. I open this once a month. I love it. I'm gonna open it and you're probably gonna find out why I love it too. It's heavy, but I think I got add-ons, so I'm pretty sure that's why. If you're new to IPSY or my channel, you can go check out my IPSY playlist. I have all of my past IPSY videos that I've been able to capture there. My IPSY Glam Bag and then the BoxyCharm by IPSY now. But anyway, we'll stick with my IPSY Glam Bag. Yeah, that's the one. Ugh. And in case you don't want to go look at those videos, you can read description information down below about it too. I also don't like opening these because they're so friggin' sticky. It just feels yucky for me. But it is, ooh, that's everything. Ooh. My favorite subscription bag. This is cute. Oh, look, they have it all wrapped up. Are they little? Ugh, they're taped. I can't get to them. But they're cute little, like, soft, ooh, little balls. And then this is kind of pretty. It's interesting. And then everything is in here this time. That's cool. Huh. In with your IPSY Glam Bag, you sometimes get these little guys. Sometimes. I feel like IPSY might be like watching my videos and seeing, because sometimes on the inside of this card it tells you what you get, little synopsis and the price of the full-size item, and that's what we got here. And on the back it tells you a little bit about what's going on with IPSY or just little fun things. On the front here of this little informational card, it tells you the month, so it's March 2024. Just so we're all clear. I'm pretty sure I put that in like all my titles, but in case we weren't sure, it's March 2024 right now. And the theme for this month, or the, yeah, let's call it like a theme. Title? We'll say theme. Theme for this month is going to be rewrite the rules. Wear too much blush, make the first move, get a mismatched mani this month. You know, I've done all of those things, so let's just jump into my IPSY Glam Bag for this month. Oh, it says, for the moment you've been waiting for, 5 new products valued up to $70 are mine. And you get to pick one item. Sometimes it tells you which item you picked. I think I might know which one I picked, but let's go through all my items and we'll just see together. It's tough. Maybe I didn't get any add-ons. Maybe they're in my next, in my BoxyCharm by IPSY. I know I did add-ons. I just can't remember for what. Huh. That's pretty big. But, ooh, the inside of the bag is blue. Very nice. Okay, so we're going to jump into the products because it's just so bright in here. The first item is so I'm confused a little bit. We'll get to my confusing part here. Hold on. This is very cute looking. I love these colors together. This is from DAZZLE. It is the Get a Grip Makeup Setting Spray. Multi-purpose setting spray. Help get your makeup under control, lock it in for best haul, lock in, oil, cheek, soothe and treat acne and hydrate your skin. Oh, we do everything. That's cool. Says, for a tip, spray your face evenly, then wait 1 to 3 minutes for it to form a film. And the part I'm confused about, because look at this size. And then, like, this is a full-size item. This is a full-size item. That is what IPSY's telling me. That's why I'm confused. So this is $9. Maybe a little goes a long way. I do have like the what is it, my Urban Decay setting spray, the all-nighter setting spray. My travel size is around this size. So maybe this is supposed to be a travel size, not a full size. I don't say full size. I call them as I see them. It looks like a travel size. $9 though. So, you sure about that, IPSY? I'm just making sure, asking, curious. Anyway, the next item, I might have picked this one. Is it this? It's from Dermafirm. It's a soothing repair toning serum. I don't think I picked this item. This is a deluxe sample size, so no confusion here. The box comes open because a lot of the times it gets squished in the bag, which is okay. Just 2 weeks, remarkable results. There's no way you're gonna have enough for 2 weeks. When I do serum, I do my face and my neck, and if I'm not already wearing my sleep shirt, it goes down to my chest and then like to my arms, and it just goes down. Whatever I have, I have. So even just my face and my neck, no, it's not enough for 2 weeks. Unless a very little bit goes a long way, there's no way. But cool. I feel like when you get skincare in like sample size, it's not so much to see if it works, but more to see like if you like it. Like, is it leaving your skin soft? Do you have a reaction to it? Does it work well with your current situation, regime, ritual in my case? But here it is, the Dermafirm. That's kind of a cool name. Soothing Repair Toning Serum. Oh, I'm going to step into my most radiant skin yet. It's got botanical wonders like eucalyptus, peptides, and niacinamide. Use morning and night. This isn't going to last 2 weeks for me. Maybe a couple days. We'll see. Because I'm probably going to use that. Just saying. Anywho. Ooh. Maybe. No? I don't know which item I picked now, because I thought this next item was what I picked. It's from BRIOGEO. BRIOGEO Hair Care. It's the Curl Charisma Rice Amino plus Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask. It is a deluxe sample. But it's for your curls. And I don't know if you've noticed, like, my curls. I'm confused too, so I'm pulling up my IPSY app right now to see what's going on. But this brand is pretty good. I do enjoy a lot of their products. So I mean, I could probably use it for myself. I don't think it's gonna curl anything. Oh. So in my IPSY app it says I did pick this. Maybe I just saw BRIOGEO and I was like, getting it. I don't care, getting it. Which sounds like me. On to the next item. It's from Pinky Bee Beauty. And this is also like bright. Look how pretty this is. It's the Pinky Bee Beauty DAT Gel Eyeliner, though, in Beach. This is a full-size item for $19. We can charge whatever we want for eyeliners because we do that. That's pretty. Dat Gel Eyeliner, though. Is it blue, though? I just want to look real quick. I know, I have a lot of... I don't have this specific color, though. That's what I checked real quick. I was like, no. I have blues, but not this blue. Got it. Okay. That's cute though. I like it. Yeah, I get a lot. Okay, I get it. I'm always scared it's gonna like snap off. So I was like, let's see what it looks like. You're not gonna be able to see it from that angle. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. That's pretty nice. I don't think I have a color that is this. I do have similar. I don't think, maybe my Sailor Moon ColourPop one is similar. Nope, this is like a light blue. Yeah. This stuff is gold. But this is like $6, $8. Why is this $19? I'm just curious. And this is the Avatar times ColourPop times the Avatar ColourPop for the Avatar. How do I, okay, there it is. I was like, how do I twist it up? Oh yeah. That one's similar, but there's not, this one has like little sparkles, this one is metallic, and this one is just completely matte. And then I have this one from Essence. Nope. They're all different. But they're all really pretty. I feel, just like showing you, I feel like this, which is this one, is very similar to the ColourPop one, but why is this $19 now? Like at first I was like, oh cool, $19, but now I'm like, why is it $19? I have questions. We'll answer the questions later. Right now, we're gonna move on to my last item. I almost forgot. I was like, oh, we're done. We're not. This is from Pacifica Beauty, the final item from my March 2024 IPSY Glam Bag. It is the Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash, and this is very large, bigger than most you get. Like normally face washes you get in like not even that size. It's so tiny, ridiculous. But this is a really good size. I do enjoy Pacifica too. This is a deluxe sample size. Glowy skin. Oh, it has AHAs in it and vitamin C. Everything has vitamin C in it. Is it, ever since I used tretinoin for a while, well not just for a while, like a good chunk of like almost a year, I've noticed almost everything I get now in some way or another has like vitamin C in it, or B, or what have you. There's all this added whatnot in there other than just like what it's for, which I guess is good now that I'm not using it, but it's everywhere. Anywho, we're gonna count back all the items I got. So I got a face wash, I got a liner, I got a hydrating and defining hair mask, I got a serum, a toning serum, and I got makeup spray. How did you get this to, oh, is that what you did? You just smushed it in there and closed it? That's pretty cool. I like that. Anywho, that's it. That's my IPSY Glam Bag, March 2024. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know in the comments if you guys got the same things I did. If you picked the same thing I did. I'm gonna go. You have fun, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!